Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect ChatGPT to ClickUp. We will need this third-party site which is make.com, so go and create an account for it. Once in, click on Create Scenario at the top right. Now, click on this plus sign button. For the first one, search for ClickUp and click on it. Now, choose a task based on what you need. For example, I'm gonna watch a task. Then for here, create a webhook. Now, click Create Connection. Then, hit on Save. Now, select your workspace and connect it. Once done, select your workspace. Then, for the event type, select one based on your need. For example, I want this task comment posted. Then, hit Save. Now that you have your first trigger, go and save it. After that, click on this plus sign button. For this one, choose ChatGPT. For example, here is I want to use chat assistants. So I'm gonna select message an assistant. Now, create a connection for it. Just go ahead and click on the add button beside it. Now you need an API key. Click on this to access that. Now, go and create a new secret key, then create again to confirm. Once you have it, copy it, go back to your integrator, then just paste it in the field. Next is organization ID. Open this. Now, copy your organization ID, go back to it, and paste it in the field, then save. Once the connection is complete, add an assistant. You can toggle this on. Then just go and select the assistant that you want from these options based on what you need. Now for the role, choose assistant. Then for the message, also choose one based on your need. For example, I'm gonna choose history item. Now, once you're done, hit the save button. After that, add another integration or trigger, then select ClickUp again. For here, I will now choose this post a task comment. Now, I'm gonna map it and select a task ID. So I will choose task ID. Then for the comment text, select content, then text, and value. Once done, hit on save. And that's just basically it. Now your integration is done. You can now go ahead and click on the Run button. And that's just basically it. That's how you integrate ChatGPT with ClickUp. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.